Now we're going to do a coding exercise, and this exercise is called the Fizz Buzz test. I've seen this on several interview questions, and also some hiring managers might throw this at you during a live coding test, so it's good to have this knowledge right now. The Fizz Buzz test tests a programmer to see if they're able to correctly figure out how to do an if statement, do returns, and just their general knowledge of how a program structure works. So for our example, we're going to write a program that returns the numbers from 1 to 100 as a string, except when there's multiples of 3, we're going to return fizz, and for multiples of 5, we're going to return buzz. And there is another one where it says for numbers which are multiples of both 3 and 5, return fizz buzz. And I have a little hint here. You're going to want to look up how to convert an integer to a string, which we haven't covered yet, but you should be able to find that on the internet. And I also wrote a bunch of tests here, so we haven't covered tests yet, but this will test your answer and make sure it's correct. And we're going to go over testing in a later lecture. But for the time being, when you implement your function here, you'll just run go test and then a dot, and it will check all the answers between 1 and 100, and you'll know if you get a bunch of errors that it's not correct yet. So it'll tell you whether it's expected and what the actual is. So go ahead and give it a try, and then we will go over this solution 1. Try not to look at it if you can. Try to figure it out. Good luck!